Good evening, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today I want to give you a heads up. We're going to be hosting an online bull auction on Friday, August 12th. And I've put up 5 videos. So you can go into our website, greenpasturesfarm.net, and check those videos out. It actually has an individual video of each bull that we're looking to sell. They're 2 to 3 years old. And these are 3-way crosses. They are Barzona, Red Angus, and Hereford. And they're super, super nice bulls. They're thick, big gutted, just the kind of bulls that you can use to, build your herd from and get a really nice grass genetic, profitable operation going. Today, folks, with the input prices skyrocketing and you got to buy the stuff to keep your cows and everything going in the wintertime, it's just not going to work. I mean, you've got to get your cow size right. You got to get them built right. And you need animals that can perform and prosper on your farm with the forage that grows there without you having to buy stuff to feed these animals. It's just ridiculous. So anyway, check that out. The rules and regulations are at the bottom of the page there at our grass genetic bull sale. And that is going to be Friday, August 12th. It starts at 7 a.m. You can place bids beginning in the morning, and it ends that night at 8 p.m. or when there hasn't been a bid received within 10 minutes after 8 p.m. So that's it. Check them out, and hope to see you at the auction on Friday, and everyone have a great one.